There are several ways to get local channels on your Firestick. Here are 3 effective methods. So method number 1 is subscribing to a paid IPTV service. IPTV services offer live TV channels over the internet. Some top official IPTV services include YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, DirecTV Stream, Fubo TV, and Sling TV. These services have standalone apps available on the Amazon App Store. Method number 2 is getting free services to watch local channels. Several free IPTV services on the Amazon App Store allow you to stream local and international channels on Firestick, such as Airy TV, Haystack TV, Sumo, VU It, Pluto TV, and more. So method number 3 is utilizing standalone network apps. Local networks have dedicated apps on the Amazon App Store that allow you to stream their channels. These are some ABC, CBS, and NBC apps, and Paramount Plus. By using these methods, you can easily access local channels on your Fire Stick and enjoy a variety of content.